morning, students. In previous videos, we solved exercise 3.1 of chapter 3, question 1 to 4. Today, we are going to learn how to solve question 5 and 6, as there are 6 questions in exercise 1. So, let us solve question 5 and 6. First, we will see what is question 5. What is the statement? If the difference between a number 82,453 and another number is 91,382, find the other number. Means two numbers difference is given this and one number is given this. First we see by comparing these two numbers which is greater. (91,382) is greater than 82,453. We can see, and this is difference, and this is one number of the two numbers which we take in subtraction. If we take this as greater number, then how can we get larger number after subtraction? If we take it as a minuend, then we cannot get larger number after subtraction. So we have to find minuend. It is given subtrahend. In two numbers, one number is given, that is smaller number. We have to find larger number. So let us understand first. According to our statement, first number missing, second number 82,453, and difference, which is our answer, is given. That is our question. According to given question, we have framed our own problem. Now we will solve. Minuend will be found by adding these two numbers. This is minuend, this is subtrahend, and this is difference. Clear? If we add difference and subtrahend, then we can find minuend. Like 10 minus 7 is 3. If we add these two numbers, 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7, then 10 will come, means minuend will come. So we will apply here this method and we will find greater number. Difference plus subtrahend. If we add these two numbers, then we will get minuend. Now we will add differences. We'll arrange first, then we will add. We will write both the numbers, difference and subtrahend. After adding, we are getting minuend. First we will add 2 plus 3 is 5, 8 plus 5 is 13, 1 will go carry next place, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 1 plus 2 is 3, and next place 9 plus 8 is 17, which is our minuend. In this way, we find our missing number. Clear? That we can write also here 1,73,380, 1,73,835. That is our required number which we have to find. So other number we have to find. We can write answer also. The other number is 1,73,835. That is our answer. Hope you understand this question. Let us take next question, question number 6. First we see what is the question. Find the number from which 2938 must be subtracted to give 1988. First we see what is given. Find the number from which find the number from which 2983 is subtracted, must be subtracted, which will give answer 1988. This is same question as we have done question number 5. So we have to find munient, and for munient we have written formula difference plus subtrahend. We will add these two numbers to find munient. So let us do addition. Write difference and write subtrahend. Now add these two numbers. 8 plus 3 11, 1 carry. 8 plus 8 16 plus 1 17, 1 carry. 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19, 1 carry. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4. That is our munient. That is our required number. So you will write answer. The required number is 4971. This is your answer. Hope you understand these two questions. I'm again repeating. If you have to find munient and you are given subtrahend and difference, then how you can add? You can find by adding these two numbers, subtrahend and difference, we can find munient. You will learn this formula and you will calculate. Number may be changed. In this way you can find any numbers given, you can find munient. If subtrahend not given, we are given munient, then how we can find? Then munient minus difference, we can find subtrahend. I will tell you. You write in your notebook also. Three things we find. You will write in notebook. Munient minus subtrahend is equal to difference. As I told you, we use three numbers in subtraction. First number munient, from which we subtract, and second number which is subtracted is subtrahend, and the answer we call it difference. If we have to find munient, then how we will find? Difference plus subtrahend. If we want to find subtrahend and we are given munient and difference, then how we find? Munient minus difference. So we use these three formulas to solve our given problem. Clear? Hope you understand exercise 1 of chapter 3. That's for the day. Have a nice day. Good day. Bye bye.